Reliable air conditioning is just as our name says. We are reliable, and our customers know they can count on us. We have the knowledge and experience with most all brands of both residential and commercial equipment. Not only do we provide same-day service, we also have a 24/7 emergency response team always ready to serve you. Our technicians are experienced professionals who can repair, install, and perform preventive maintenance on your unit. Customer service and satisfaction has always been our top priority. So if you have air conditioning issues or need an estimate for a new or replacement system, you can count on our fast and professional service. We're only a phone call away, so don't hesitate to call us with any questions you may have. Remember, if you want reliable air conditioning service, then call us, Reliable Air Conditioning.